Hi all, I am Dr. D. Madhavi. In the previous session, we discussed about the applications of stack, and one of the application is expression conversions. So we discussed a few conversions in the last session from infix to postfix and all. Now in this class, the main objective of this class is to perform the remaining conversions from one expression form to another expression form. So first we discuss the conversion from postfix to prefix form. So here is the procedure to convert the postfix expression to prefix expression. First step is scan the postfix expression from left to right. Scan the postfix expression from left to right. If the scan symbol is an operand, then push it onto the top of the stack. If the scan symbol is an operator, pop two symbols from the top of the stack and create it as a new string by placing the operator in front of the operands and push it onto the stack. So repeat steps 2 and 3 till the end of the expression. So there is an example for converting the given postfix expression into its equivalent prefix expression. So here the first three are operands A, B, C. First three are operands A, B, C. So the scan symbol first is an operand, so push it onto the stack, and the next symbol B is also an operand, so push it onto the stack, and C is also an operand, so push it onto the stack. So the next scanned symbol is asterisk. So we just pop the top two items from the stack and form a new string by placing this operator before the operands. So star BC string is formed and again it is pushed onto the top of the stack. And the next scan symbol is D. So because D is an operand, push onto the stack. Similarly, E is an operand, push it onto the stack. F is an operand, so push it onto the stack. Now this power symbol, the cap symbol indicates the power symbol, so it is an operator. So pop continuously two pops from the stack, so you'll get two operands, and place this operator before this operands, and then this new string is pushed onto the top of this stack. So the next one is again an operator, so pop two times from the stack, and then you place these operands and then place this division operator before the operands. So a new string is formed and the new string is pushed onto the top of the stack. So the next scanned symbol is an operand, so simply push it onto the top of the stack. And the next symbol is an asterisk. So because it is an operator, pop the top two expressions from the stack and write down the two expressions side by side, and then before this new string you place the operator asterisk, and this new string is again pushed onto the top of the stack. So the next one is also an operator minus, so continuously pop two times and then place the expression side by side, and before this expression you place the new operator minus. Okay, and then this new string is again pushed onto the top of this stack, and the next symbol is H. It is an operand and push the item on the top of the stack. And the next scanned symbol is asterisk. Because it is an operator, just pop the top two elements from the stack and then place side by side, first H and then followed by this expression up to minus, and then place this new operator asterisk before this two operands, and then this new string is again pushed onto the top of the stack. Once again you scan the infix, scan the expression, and the next one is symbol is plus. So since plus is an operator, pop the top two items from the stack, place them side by side, first this expression and then followed by a, and then before these two operands you place the plus operator, and this new string is again pushed onto the stack. When you find that the input string is empty, then whatever expression that is there on the top of the stack is nothing but the required output in the prefix form. So in this way, you can convert the given expression, the given postfix expression into its equivalent prefix expression. So the next conversion is from prefix to infix. The next conversion is from prefix to infix. The procedure to convert prefix expression into infix expression is as follows. Scan the prefix expression from right to left in the reverse order, and if the scan symbol is an operand, then push onto the, if it is an operand, then push onto the stack. If the scanned symbol is an operator, then pop two symbols. If it is an operator, pop two symbols from the stack and create it as a string by placing the operator. You place the operator in between the operands. You place the operator in between the operands and push it onto the stack. Repeat the steps 2 and 3 till the end of the expression. So this is an example. Convert the following prefix expression into its equivalent infix expression. So now I am going to scan the symbols from right to left. So the first symbol is H. Because it is an operand, you just push onto the stack. Similarly, G is an operand. So the next scan symbol is also an operand, so push it onto the stack. The next scan symbol from right to left is F. So it is an operand, so push it onto the stack. Similarly, E is also an operand, push it onto the stack. The next one is an operator. Whenever you encounter an operator, you just pop the top two elements and you place this operator in between the two operands, and the new string is pushed again onto the top of the stack. And the next symbol is D. It is an operand, so simply push it onto the top of the stack. The next symbol is a division, so it is an operator. So you just pop the top two items from the stack and then place this division operator between these two operand or expression symbols. In between these two, you place the division and the new string is again pushed onto the top of the stack. So the next one, again it is an operator. So just simply pop the top two elements from the stack and place this operator in between this expression asterisk operator and then G. So this new string is again pushed into the stack. So the next one is an operand, so simply push it onto the top of the stack. The next one, B, is again an operand, so push it onto the top of the stack. So the next one is an operator, so just pop the top two elements and you place this operator in between these two elements and push the new string again onto the stack. And the next one is also an operator, so you pop the top two items from the stack and between these two items you place this operator minus, and again this new string is pushed onto the stack. So the next one is an operator, so you simply pop the top two elements from the stack and then you place this operator star in between this H and this expression here, and this new string is again pushed onto the stack. So the next one is an operand, so simply push it onto the stack. The next one is an operator, so pop the top two elements in the stack and you place this operator plus in between A and this expression. So now the input string is empty and the string that is present on the top of the stack is the required output. If you pop it, you can see the output that is converted to the infix form. So the next one is conversion from prefix to postfix. So this is the procedure for converting prefix expression to postfix expression. So scan the prefix expression from right to left in the reverse order. If the scanned symbol is an operand, then push it onto the stack. If the scanned symbol is an operator, pop two symbols. If it is an operator, pop two symbols from the stack and create it as a new string by placing the operator after the operands, because we want to convert to a postfix expression, and push it again back onto the stack and repeat steps 2 and 3 till the end of the expression. So here is the example. You want to convert the prefix expression into its equivalent postfix expression. So you have to scan the symbols from right to left. So from right to left, H is the first symbol and it is an operand, so it will be pushed into the stack. And similarly, G is an operand, F is an operand, E is an operand. So 4 operands will be pushed in the same order into the stack. So the first symbol H is pushed onto the stack, G is pushed onto the stack, F is pushed onto the stack, E is pushed onto the stack, and the next symbol is an operator. So pop the top 2 items on the stack and write down them in the same order and place this operator after the operands. And this new string is again pushed onto the top of the stack. The next symbol is an operand, so simply push it onto the stack. And the next symbol is an operator division, so pop these 2 items on the top of the stack and write down in the same order and place this division operator after this, and this new string is again pushed onto the stack. The next one is an asterisk. Okay, this is an operator, so simply pop the top 2 items from the stack and place them in the same order, and after these operands you place this asterisk after the operands and push this new string onto the stack again. So the next one is an operand, so simply push it onto the stack, and the next one, B, is also an operand, so push it onto the top of the stack. The next one, asterisk, is an operator, so pop the top 2 items from the stack and then write down in the same order, and then place this asterisk after the operands and put this new string again onto the top of the stack. The next one is minus. Again, it is an operator, so pop the top 2 elements from the stack and then write down in the same order, and after these you just place this minus operator, and then this new string is again pushed back into the stack. And the next one is also an operator, so pop the top 2 elements and then write down in the same order, and after this we just place this asterisk operator and then push the new string onto the stack. And then the next one is a symbol A, so it is pushed onto the stack, and then the next symbol is plus. It is an operator, so pop top 2 elements on the stack and then write down in the same order, and then you place this plus operator after this expression and again push it onto the stack. And when you find that the input string is empty, okay, then the string that is present on the top of the stack is the required output, is the required postfix. Okay, thank you.